the latest multifunctional vegetable chopper and slicer chop, dice, slice, or grate. This vegetable chopper is a practical kitchen tool. The vegetable chopper offers multiple functions in one highly versatile kitchen gadget. The onion chopper is made of top-quality materials such as high-quality sty. Vegetable chopper slicer contains 8 different sizes of fruit chopper blades, interchangeable blades for thick, thin slicing, dicing or chunking, shredding, thick or thin, grinding, and chopping. Onion chopper rust-resistant, heavy-duty for 120 stainless steel, maintains sharp edges for crisp, smooth. Free up countertop space with food containers. The built-in cutting lid allows you to cut food directly into the large 1.L food container, eliminating the need for a knife and cutting board. This prevents food from sliding off while slicing. The chopper also makes it clean, safe, and easy to use. Now, chopping, mincing, and slicing ingredients for desired dishes can take a lot of time and effort. Like tomatoes, cabbage, onions, garlic, etc., the new upgraded vegetable chopper reduces the time for the whole process, so you won't have trouble cooking or chopping vegetables and fruits. This makes it easy. If there is any other problem with our vegetable chopper, you can contact us via free live chat. What we do will make life easier, better, and more fun. Make sure our vegetable chopper products are the absolute best on the market. If you don't like the chopper, slicer, we will send a replacement.